Hello, my name is Cassandra. Today we did a sinus graft augmentation on a patient that had little to no bone. Dr. Gallardo created 2 tiny openings to have access to allow him to place more bone grafting in the material in the area, so that way the patient in the future can have implants placed. So if you think you're a patient that does not have enough bone or doesn't qualify for a dental implant, or you've been told that you're not a candidate for a dental implant, this is one of the many procedures that Dr. Gallardo performs to help our patients out. So if you like, give us a call and we'd be more than happy to help you out.